up, guys? It's Jay and Luke with PC Motorsports. Today we're going to be doing our first vlog style video. We're going to be going and looking at a 71 short bed C10 and hopefully picking it up for a build. Chevy C10 short bed. It's two-wheel drive. Says that it'd be a great starter to do a build. Been sitting in the field for 18 years, but it's got a 350 V8 with the factory 4-speed transmission. It doesn't have brakes, so that's going to be one of the first things we do, so we can get it running. But here's a couple pictures of the post. Doesn't look too terrible for a start. I think it could end up being pretty cool. So again, we'll get back to you when we get over to the guy's house and start looking over it. Right down the street. How you feeling about it?
I'm excited.
Yeah? Ready to see it. Hopefully it's as clean as it looks in the pictures. Should be a pretty fun little project. Just bought it. We got to go and figure out the trailer situation. We're going to try to fit it in the 32 foot, but if it's too wide, then we're probably going to pick up U-Haul trailer. But picked it up. All right, we're headed back to the house and then over to get the trailer or whatever we got to do, and then we're gonna go back, pick up the truck, take it home, and we'll show it to you once we get it to the house. All right, guys, we're at the trailer. It looks like it's gonna fit, so we're gonna end up using the 32 foot and head over and go get the truck picked up. It's exciting stuff, man. I didn't know how high you wanted.
Yeah.
Good old Rhino hitch. Can adjust it. It's helped a lot. Past few times we've used the put this trailer on and, you know, go in between trailers. Tell you what, if you want to work out, just do a couple trailers like this today. Get your arms burning. Trying to get the passenger tail light working. There you go. Just gotta slap the side a couple times and got it working. All right, we're all hooked up, ready to go. It's a decent little squeeze in there, but it's all good. Ready to head out. Just text the guy going to pick it up now. get a little bit of footage of us getting it loaded up, but we'll let you know. I don't know how it's gonna work. We'll see. Yeah?
Yeah.
It's gorgeous. I mean, as is, like, that's definitely one of my favorite body styles. I was looking at, like, 74 square bodies, and, like, when I saw that, I was like, that's it. Like, the body style is perfect. Oh, got her in. You want to back it? That ain't working either.
Is this door open?
Yeah. Probably no handle on the inside, is there?
Yeah.
Can you reach it? I think I'm up.
You better get skinny, man.
God. Oh man, I don't think so.
Huh.
I don't want this fucker breaking on my hand.
You don't think you could jump out the window?
I don't think there's enough room.
On the top.
Yeah, maybe.
There you go.
Oh, fuck.
Your legs caught?
Oh, my shoulder. Okay, that works. Well, at least I didn't have a panic attack. I thought for a second I might freak out, but
All stuck in there.
yeah, stuck in there.
All right, we got her all loaded up. You had to jump out the window of the truck. You'll see, you probably already saw it. I don't know. We'll see how we clip it together. But trailer behind us. So next stop is home.